Let's sing quiet songs.
So I'm gonna sing a snake song.
Okay,
sing it.
Okay. It's a little snake that we were shown, and a big snake.
Okay.
The little snake was the big snake, and the mama snake was the cool snake. And then that snake is gonna have a mama snake.